I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake easy step by step. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, gather cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and a crust, and bring everything to room temperature. Start by crushing crackers and melting butter for the base. Beat cream cheese until smooth, add sugar and eggs slowly, and fold in vanilla. Pour into crust, bake in a water bath, then cool gradually to prevent cracks and ensure a silky texture. Start by combining 1/2 cups crushed graham crackers with 6 tablespoons melted butter, then press this firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Chill the crust for 10 minutes to set while you prepare the filling. This creates a neat, crisp base that supports the cheesecake and prevents sogginess. Press evenly and use the bottom of a glass for a compact, professional finish before adding your silky filling and baking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, kitchen timers, and hands-free help to your counter, so you can set timers and control playlists while your cheesecake bakes. It's compact, easy to use, and fun to pair with cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Beat the cream cheese until completely smooth before adding 1 cup sugar and vanilla, then add eggs one at a time to avoid overmixing. Fold in 1/2 cup sour cream or 1/4 cup heavy cream for extra creaminess and a stable texture. Scrape the bowl often to ensure even mixing and remove any lumps. Pour gently into the chilled crust and smooth the top for an even bake and silky slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.